guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab we're going to be doing another concealer battle. I've done one of these here on my channel before when I was comparing the Fenty and the Nars concealer. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. It'll be listed in the cards here. But today we're going to be comparing the Tarte Creaseless concealer on one eye and the Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear Camouflage concealer on the other eye. So these are the two concealers we're going to be battling out. So you will see my thoughts on that throughout the video. I'll also have my final thoughts in the comment section below pinned for you guys to read and, you know, have a conversation down below. So yeah, if you like concealer battle type of videos or comparing products type of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you want to see my thoughts, then keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on, and I'm going to speed this part through and then give you guys some information on the two concealers, and we'll go from there. So for the foundation, my face is already moisturized and primed with my Clinique Moisture Surge and the Milk Makeup Cosmetics primer, but all of the products that I'll use for this will be listed in the description box below. Sorry if I look a little like puffy, my allergies are just doing the most today. So anywho, I'm going to be going in with this Hourglass Vanish liquid foundation in the shade Golden Tan. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. Alright, now that we have our foundation on, I'm going to be doing a concealer battle again because I've been wanting to try these two concealers and so many people talk about them, but when I feel them I'm like, oh my gosh, there's no way that this lives up to what they're both claiming. I feel like they both have similar consistencies, but I'm going to read a little bit of the facts about these two. So starting with the Tarte Creaseless one. So this is what Tarte's website is saying. It is vegan, full coverage, and creamy under eye concealer, now in 30 shades and with a new applicator that's totally foolproof. It also says completely covers dark circles, hyperpigmentation, and redness. Its waterproof formula doesn't crease or sit into fine lines. And hashtag flower powdered by vitamin C, rich maracuja, for firmer, brighter, and smoother looking skin. So we shall see about that because I am going to wear this for about 9 to 10 hours today, so we will get the full wear out of this. And then the Lancôme one is about 20 shades and is an ultra pigmented full coverage concealer that camouflages imperfections with a weightless, comfortable feel. One drop is all it takes and it won't crease or cake up. That's what it says. We're gonna put these to the test and see, like, y'all said not going into lines, not creasing or any of that jazz. So we're gonna get that full test today. So I'm gonna put Tarte on this side, Lancôme on this side, and we're gonna see. All right, so starting with the Tarte, it has an applicator like this, just a regular applicator. The bottle looks like this, and the top. And I'm not gonna put a lot. Like, I'm gonna just barely put some there because I just don't want the creasing. I'm so scared. So I'm not even dipping it back into. And I'm gonna do my typical thing. So now the Lancôme one, it does not have an applicator. The Tarte one, I have it in the shade 33 in medium. I have medium in my Tarte Shape Tape, so that's why I picked up medium in this one. And then the Lancôme one, I have it in the shade 370 Beige W, standing for warm. And it does not have an applicator. It's a squeeze out tube, which is, I don't know how I feel about that. But I'm just going to take just about that much and place that on my eye with my finger. Now one side is definitely brighter than the other, but they'll probably blend out some way, somehow. As far as color, I think I like the Lancôme color better, but I'm going to blend them both in. I'm going to start off with the Tarte one using my sponge. Don't judge my sponge. I didn't have time to clean it. Not looking bad. So now I'm gonna blend the other side. So this is what they both look like for right now. Now, I do see the Tarte one starting to get into my lines. And I'm going to set it with my Hourglass Veil Powder. I've been using this for this month, you guys. I mentioned it in my what's in my everyday makeup stash. So that is what I'm using here. I'm going to hurry up and set this before it starts acting crazy. So off the first impression, I'm liking the Lancôme side better than the Tarte. But I really wanted to give this a try. So I'm going to see how it holds up throughout the day. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I may speed it through so you guys can just see what I'm using. And I'll come back and do my conclusions after everything is finished. And yeah, that'll be that. Right, guys, so this is the finished look. And I don't have any falsies or anything. But I'm going to tell you right now, this stuff is doing some crazy stuff under my eyes. I'm not sure if it's because I used my damp sponge to set it with powder. But if you want to try these two concealers, or if you tried them, let me know how you set it. Did you set it with a brush? Maybe I'll try them again, setting them with a brush instead of a damp sponge, because it gave me a lot of texture. And this Lancôme side is going into the creases. So maybe next time I use it, I'm just going to dab my finger and blend it in, and then set it with a powder with a brush instead of my sponge. So other than that, I like the colors of them. I also like that they blended really well with my foundation, which was the Hourglass Vanish Liquid Foundation. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to see how these go throughout the day, but right now it's a for me. As far as these thicker consistencies, you definitely have to just use a little bit, because a little goes a long way. And yeah, not so sure, but I will let you guys know in the description box or in the comment section how these held up. And that's basically all I have to say about those, because they're giving me a lot of texture under the eye. I'm not quite sure how I feel about that. You know, maybe I set them incorrectly. I don't know. I'm gonna put the fault on me. I don't know. But you guys let me know what you think about this battle, concealer battle. Comment down below your thoughts, comments, and questions. And yeah, until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.